To remove Gmail account from Gmail app, on your iPhone, open the Gmail app. Tap on your profile photo. Tap on Manage Accounts on this device. And here you will find all of your added Gmail accounts. Just tap on Remove from this account under the Gmail you want to sign out. And tap on Remove. And your selected Gmail account will be signed out or removed from your Gmail app. And to remove Gmail account from your Mail app, go to your settings and search for Mail. Open Mail app. Tap on Mail accounts. And here you will find your added Gmail account. Tap on Gmail. Tap on Delete account. Tap on Delete from my iPhone. And your Gmail account will be deleted or sign out from your iPhone Mail app. Thanks for watching.